Running your brand like Mario in a maze? One message on LinkedIn, another on email, and your Insta post says something else entirely? That's how brands confuse faster than Trump at a science fair. Here's how AI fixes the chaos. Step 1. Build a message Bible. Use Moksy.ai or Jasper to generate brand-safe messages for every channel. Think Superman's code of honor, but in your content. Step 2. Sync it up. Notion AI or ClickUp AI helps you document, update, and share messaging in one place, like Google's internal playbook. Step 3. Automate rollout. Use Zapier to push updates across LinkedIn, email, and web instantly. Or build a full messaging hub with Moksy.ai, free and pro. Don't let your brand sound like 5 people in a trench coat. Ever seen Spider-Man say maybe? Nope. Be clear, be consistent. Subscribe or risk sounding like a glitchy chatbot.